Are you stuck staring at that dreaded wait for activation error on iMessage? It's incredibly frustrating, especially when you just want to text your friends. But don't panic, your phone isn't broken. Today I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to force iMessage to activate. We'll start with the quickest fixes, but make sure you stick around till the end because if the standard tricks don't work, I have a nuclear option, network reset trick that fixes this 90% of the time. Let's dive right in. Step 1, the classic toggle. First, we are going to try the classic ID method, turning it off and on again. Open your settings app, scroll down and tap on apps, find and tap on messages, toggle iMessage off, count to 3 and toggle back on. You should see it saying waiting for activation for a moment and hopefully it pops back to normal. If it doesn't, let's move to step 2. The email trick. Right below the iMessage toggle, tap on send and receive. Sometimes your phone number gets hung up. Try selecting an email address like your Apple ID email in addition to your phone number. This simple step can essentially jumpstart the Apple servers to verify your account. Still no luck? Let's quickly reset your connection. Swipe down from the top right of your screen to open the control center. Turn airplane mode on for about 10 seconds. This completely disconnects you from Wi-Fi and cellular, and toggle it back off. Once the signal returns, check iMessage again. If your connection wasn't the issue, your SIM card might need a refresh. Go back to your main settings page, tap on cellular. If you have an eSIM, tap your line and toggle off turn on this line. Wait a moment and turn it back on. Tip: if you have an older iPhone with a physical SIM card, just grab a paperclip, pop the SIM tray out, wipe the card off and slide it right back in. Go to the very top of your settings app and tap on your name. Ensure your email address is listed there at the top and that you are fully signed in. If you aren't signed in properly, iMessage simply will not activate. While you're checking settings, go to General, Software Update. If there's a pending update, install it. Apple frequently patches iMessage bugs in these updates. Before we get to our final guaranteed fix, let's clear the phone's cache with a forced restart. Press volume up, then volume down, press and hold the side button until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears. Sometimes your phone just needs a deep nap to get things working again. Alright, if you made it this far and you still have that activation error, it's time for the fix I promised you at the beginning. We need to wipe your network's slate clean. Let's head into the main settings, tap on General, scroll to the very bottom, tap on Transfer Reset iPhone, tap Reset, and then choose Reset Network Settings. If you've gone through every single one of these steps and your iMessage is still holding out on you, the issue is likely on your carrier's end. It's time to give AT&T, Verizon, T-Mobile, or if you're in a different country, whoever your provider is, a quick call to have them re-provision your text messaging. Did one of these steps fix it for you? Let me know which one worked down in the comments. Ever wonder why your phone doesn't ring sometimes? Check out this video now.